Well, we're on the Chalet in a 1,300 meters altitude above sea level. So let's have a look at a chalet first and then go and do the bench lookout. Okay. Well, here's the chalet. Pretty nice. We did drive past here. Beautiful flowers here. Amazing what can thrive in 1,300 meters above sea level. The chalet is closed. But they have these beautiful flowers here. Here's the building, apparently built 1910. So let's go to the lookout. Interesting granite rocks here all over the place. There's some maintenance work being done down there. Interesting view here. It's a clear day, or mostly clear day. You can still see the mist. Now we are now looking east. This is north. Yes, it's a fair bit drop down here. There's a few granite rocks. I might tipple over one day. Oh, it's just magnificent, the view from here. You can see all the mountain rings around us here. Yes, we can even see Mount Kosciuszko, the tallest mountain in Australia, 2,228 meters. It's about 134 kilometers away. You can see it over there in the distance. Ah, you see the guys on the platform on the granite rocks over there? I wonder what they're doing. I'll take a photo so we can see. Let's go here. I wonder what they're doing. Having a picnic, hanging off the rock. Ah, this is absolutely gorgeous. Unless you're afraid of heights. Well, there's another look out here just further, so let's go there. So this lookout is just below the other one. Now the guys on the platform there, they're all paragliders apparently, or rock climbers. They seem to be going down there. Interesting. They're probably rock climbers. Yeah, they're all rock climbers. So. Well, we walked past the maintenance area and we're now heading to the Echo Point lookout. This is where the rock climbers are practicing. Okay. my hat is fine. It's not that windy. Yeah, I just think they're having a picnic there. Talk about hanging rock. Oh, it's just amazing views from here.